Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Really, I only want to focus here on the shorter time frame, intraday price action. So the move to the upside here remains, to me, a three-wave move up. So it could be wave one if the entire move up is an ending diagonal pattern. In that case, we have an A, B, C structure, and the C wave is a five-wave move. And then in this move up, we would have a three-wave move as well in wave three, and we could move to all-time highs like that. In this case, the market should hold above $109,477. Yeah, this is the 78.6 fib level, which kind of acts as a barrier for market sentiment. Yeah, it's a pivot. Any break below normally would indicate that a more bearish scenario is playing out and the structure is shifting. Within the current structure, within this white scenario, we have to give the market the room all the way down to the 78.6 fib level. Could even get one more low. Yeah, one more low, I think, even in the white count possible, because we would call that an ABC structure. A, B, C, and the C wave is basically the same count as the internal third wave here. Yeah, it's the same count. But what makes what would make the white count less likely then is another lower high and another lower low, because that, my friends, would give me a five-wave move down. Okay, and that is not what a wave two can be. So the price appears to be working on a downside impulse at the moment in the orange scenario, yeah, but it can still be white. The main, or let's say the way for us to distinguish between them, yeah, what would allow us to distinguish, well, that's this 4-5 pattern and the support level at 109,477. As I said, that's typically where probabilities shift from a bullish count in white to the more bearish one in orange. Now, when can we say that the white count is taking the lead again? Because with only a three-wave move up, I can't clearly lean towards that white count. But when would I start to be watching? Well, with a break above the initial micro resistance, I think I'd be watching if the bulls take the lead. That would be $114,034. If we get a decisive break above, that is not full confirmation then that the bulls take the lead, but they will be stronger, and certainly it would be a first signal that the bears are failing. And that's a powerful signal, right? Now, if we then take it further, and the bulls can drive the price above this last swing high at $116,230, that would be even further confirmation that the bulls are taking the lead. So those are the key levels here that we're watching. At the moment, I mean, you see that there's still no clear upside reversal pattern. We're currently seeing a rejection from resistance. Not convinced that this fifth wave down has started. So again, we're kind of in a holding pattern right now. You see, after this low that formed on Monday, throughout this entire week so far, we've only seen here sideways consolidations. Yeah, anyway, I keep you updated. No real change so far, but that should give you some more clarity about the relevant structures. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure that you also follow us on X, where you can get additional charts, news, much more. Also updates that we don't cover necessarily on YouTube, video updates. And yeah, you're gonna miss out if you don't follow us here, because some video updates are not even shown on YouTube. So check it out. Link, by the way, is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.